Hello, this screencast is designed to help you complete the Individual Induction Plan, otherwise known as the IIP. So once you are logged into the correct class, you want to click on the correct section, which will be Section 3, Individual Induction Plan. You're going to scroll down past the observation, the discussion, and land on our Individual Induction Plan. I need to click on the orange writing to get to the assignment block. And the attachment is here in orange writing as well. Once I click on the attachment, it will download. I can open it up and complete it as needed. So the participating teacher will complete all portions of this assignment. This is your IIP, your Individual Induction Plan. This is what your inquiry is going to be based off of, which is in the next section. This form must be complete and okayed by your support provider and okayed by another reviewer with a grade of complete before you can even start on your inquiry. So let's take a look at the focus of the inquiry sections, determining what you need to know and be able to do. Section 1, based on findings from self-assessments, determine areas of focus. So what do you want to improve on to increase student achievement? So look back through your initial self-assessments, look back through the assessment of teaching and learning. Maybe you had some inquiry ideas posted below and decide what area would you like to improve to increase student achievement. Then let's move to section 2. Then you need to develop a focus question for this inquiry. This cannot be a yes or no question. It must be open-ended, well-targeted, specific, and measurable. You're going to choose something you are interested in that you can envision actually happening and that has a direct impact on increasing student achievement. It can be something you are currently doing. You just really want to focus on it now and develop it even more so. So we give you a question starter, a question frame. What strategies can be implemented to ... What strategies can be implemented to decrease student distractions when working in small group rotations? Now that is a behavior that I'm looking at, but I can also tell the effect that behavior might be having on the work based on the samples and the assessments that I will be doing. What strategies can be implemented to increase students' understanding of one-to-one when reading? There's an academic goal as well. It really depends on your setting, your students, and your area of focus. Number 3, which CSTP elements will be addressed? After forming your focus question, narrow down which CSTP element or element it will address. And then you're going to make note of your current placement on the continuum of teaching practice by writing, emerging, exploring, applying, integrating, or innovating next to the CSTP that you list here. So you'll be able to go back through and take a look at the CSTPs and where you're at, and you can list 2, maybe 3. I really wouldn't do more than 3 CSTPs that this focus question, this inquiry will be addressing. And then taking a look at number 4, what are the anticipated measurable outcomes for student learning? You're going to list a measurable result with a numerical value. So what data, what evidence will you see that will tell you that your students were successful as a result of the inquiry? This will be reflected in your initial and your final assessments of your inquiry. So you will be getting to that, but you definitely need an anticipated measurable outcome. We give you another sentence frame. What percentage of students would score 90% or better on? You need something tangible. You need a measurable outcome that can give value to the increase or not. Maybe it doesn't work. That's okay. That's something you'll reflect on as well of your inquiry. And then sections 5 and 6, this is your action plan. And so you're going to date the type of research that you're going to be doing, and then you're going to describe the type of research here as well. That's going to help you answer your focus question. It could be observing other teachers, talking with other teachers, finding videos online, other online resources, reading books. Really just depends on your action plan. These are the steps that are going to help you implement your inquiry and hopefully achieve student success. And then below, once again, your teaching context. Review your teaching context as it applies to this research question. So you have a focus question, a research question. How does that apply to your teaching context? Why did you choose it? What's it going to do for your students? And that is how you complete the Individual Induction Plan, or the IIP.